What have you done?
What do you mean? No, I'm joking. We built this cool mezzanine. Previously we had all of our cars in different warehouses all over the show.
Yeah.
So we decided that it would be less stressful if we had everything under one roof.
So this idea sprung about by Harley going, dude, I've got the guy building the mezzanine next door. Should I not just get him to measure here? I was like, dude, don't waste your time. Before...
Oh, no. Go back. Our lease was coming up and we didn't have anywhere to put our stuff. And so we thought about trying to sell things. And we kept going, we'll put it off until the last week before we had to leave. And then jokingly I said, well, why don't we just put a mezzanine up here? Cut back to...
I was heavily involved in the design,
construction,
and the signing off. So the nice thing about this is that whatever we do, if I have only 50% liability, I'm in. I don't really look at the upside of anything that we do together. It's more that when things go wrong, I'm only liable for 50% of what goes wrong. So that's pretty much how Harley and I enter everything.
So now you've got cars, but you need a forklift to get them.
Yeah, which we don't own.
Right.
What happened here?
Yeah, that's what I'm going to tell you about. So we had planned perfectly for the forklift to get through this door. We had to cut off the little tabs over here so that it would just get through, because the door was like within a couple of millimeters too high of the forklift. So we drove it through, we had all the moke shreds lined up, and then we realized that the lintel for the building was actually a good 200 mil shorter than it needed to be. But it was too late. We'd already built the mezzanine and we hadn't noticed that. It actually wasn't that bad. It wasn't too hectic. But it looks good. It looks like little toy cars. Like a miniature car set on your on your shelf in your bedroom, except now we've got a very big shelf in a very big bedroom.
Hardy, what is all this?
I can name every single part in here.
Really?
Yes, pick anything.
What belongs to a Mini?
Mostly that stuff.
Okay, what belongs to a Land Rover?
I can't actually see anything. I think it's mostly BMW. Oh no, there's an alternator for a Landy over there.
Right.
Weibo, probably from our road trip, the thing that
Is
broke
that
on
is
my car.
that the broken one, or
I
is
think
that?
it might be that one.
And you're keeping that because
Sentimental value.
okay.
If I need this, where else am I going to find it?
Sometime before it turns to rust, it will be valuable.
There's a lot of random crap in here, but at least it's under like the Journeymen roof now, and we don't have to go looking in a dodgy container to try and find it.
So how many cars do you have in here now?
Quick guess, 10. 11.
And how many motorcycles?
8. 6.
Might
No,
just-
7. There's one in pieces.
And
Oh, there's also the other one as well, actually, the little monkey bike. Or was that 8 then? No, could be 9. Oh, there's another one, actually.